Welcome to the Trinidad Bay from the Island Collection here at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Come on in, I cannot wait to show you around. Right at the front of the home, this bright bedroom is warm, welcoming, and full of easy coastal charm. In just steps away, a full bath keeps your guests comfortable and pampered. There's even a stylish powder room, perfectly placed for company. Need a flex space? This versatile den is perfect for a home office, a hobby, or a quiet getaway. Hey, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. And wow, the great room! Soaring wood beam ceilings, tons of natural light, and wide open space made for entertaining. The dining area flows right off the living, ready for family dinners and celebrations with friends. This kitchen is stunning. A huge center island, gorgeous quartz counters, and clean sightlines to everywhere the fun happens. Just off the kitchen, this cozy family room is the perfect place to gather, relax, and make memories. Then step outside to the covered lanai and your own private pool. Your slice of paradise. Now for my favorite, the private primary suite. A peaceful retreat with an elegant tray ceiling and room to unwind. And the spa-style primary bath delivers dual vanities and a walk-in shower. This is the Trinidad Bay. Let's find your place in paradise. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Lawell. If you're dreaming of a new life in Latitude Margaritaville, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe for a new home tour every week, and reach out anytime you're ready to make the move.